Kohl or Indian kajal has been an important part of our makeup rituals. But where did it come from? We shall find out in this video. Indian kajal is undoubtedly a quintessential makeup product. To trace the true nature of kohl, we need to travel back to the ancient Egypt around 3100 BC. The ancient Egyptians first began to use a powdery black substance around their eyes to protect them from the harsh rays of the sun. It was called galena eye paint. The Egyptians believed that using kohl around their eyes had important medicinal, magical, and religious qualities, and it was, of course, made famous by Cleopatra, whose bright blue eyeshadow and deep black kohl is still not forgotten. In India, kohl or Indian kajal is intrinsically tied to the identity of an Indian woman, no matter what it's called. Surma in Punjabi and Urdu, Kanmashi in Malayalam, Kadige in Kannada, Katuka in Telugu, or Kanmai in Tamil. Used by brides, dancers, royalty, and young girls, it is essentially used to accentuate the eyes. Interestingly, most cultures around the world believe in its properties to ward off the evil eye. In Morocco, it is a symbol of the Kaaba, Islam's holy black stone in Mecca. In North Africa, mothers apply kohl to their infants soon after they are born. Likewise, in India also, it is very common to see a tiny black spot on the forehead or behind the ears of a baby. Mothers often line their eyes of their infants to ward off evil and keep their babies safe. In Punjabi and Muslim culture, surma is a traditional ceremonial product which even men wear around their eyes on social or religious occasions. Having said that, kajal also plays a predominant role among the dancers, be it traditional dancers performing Bharatnatyam and Kathakali, whose expressive facial movements are a big part of their dance. They use kajal to heavily line their eyes in order to appear larger and more expressive. In addition to it, it is an important part of a bride's sola shringar or her ceremonial ritual of beauty and adornment before her wedding. In today's day and age, kohl has been refined and redefined in several ways, and one can easily find ready made kohl pencils in the market, which come in various styles as well as colors. The most popular way of applying kohl is the tight lining effect, where the eyeliner is used against the waterline, right underneath the lashes of the upper eyelid. Apart from this, the winged eye technique and creating smoky eye effect has also gained popularity amongst young women. Several international makeup brands like Chanel, MAC, and Bobbi Brown have popularized the term kohl in their eyeliners by naming them kohl eye pencils. However, despite recommendations against the use of kajal, it is routinely used among the masses, particularly amongst children. It is necessary that the healthcare providers should educate their parents regarding the use of kajal. Also, regulatory directions must be complied by the manufacturers regarding compulsory testing of kajal for levels of lead and other heavy metals, and certification, along with banning of advertisements proclaiming unauthenticated advantages of kajal in the media. No matter what, eyes are the windows to the soul, and we must take a good care of it. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more updates.